Welcome back sa ating Business Finance class. Nasa Module 6 pa rin tayo, Basic Long-Term Financial Concepts Part 1. So itong discussion video na to ay part 2 na kasi meron tayong first discussion video na in-release prior to this. Medyo mahaba kasi ito, kaya hinati-hati ko into 3 parts para hindi rin kayo masyadong ma-pressure sa pag-absorb ng information. So if you are ready, ako pa rin ang inyong teacher, Romualdo Fernandez Credo. Please get your pen and paper for your notes. So let's start. So now, let's discuss future and present value. So what is present value and what is future value? It can be best explained using yung illustration sa baba ng definition ng present at future value. So, ang present value is yung value of your money now at time 0. So, ngayon. So, kung magkano yung pera mo ngayon, yun yung present value ng pera mo. Pero, kung tatanungin mo, magkano na kaya ang pera ko after 10 years or 5 years yung nakalagay dyan? So, yun yung tinatawag nating future value. Kaya nga, ang future value ay defined as yung amount to which an investment will grow after earning interest. So, yung value ng pera mo plus yung kikitain niya, yun yung tinatawag nating future value. Kasi magiging value na niya yun after na mag-expire ang ilang period. Sa illustration natin, it is 5 years. Pag natapos yung 5 years, magkano na yung pera? So, isasama mo yung kinita niya, yun yung future value niya. Pero, yung pera mo today, yung amount you invested today is the present value of your money now sa beginning ng period. So, yun yung present value. Basic pattern of cash flow. So, we have single amount or lump sum. We also have annuity and yung mixed stream. So, let's start muna yung single or lump sum. Single cash outflow is made at the total receipts will be at the single future date. So, as the name or the term stated, lump sum or single amount. So, it will be received one time. So, minsanan ang pagpasok ng pera or paglabas ng pera. So, yun yung tinatawag nating single amount. For example, 10 million. 10 million marireceive mo yun or babayaran mo yun at the end of 5 years. So, after 5 years, saka mo babayaran. So, minsanan mong ibibigay or marireceive yung 5 million. Siyempre, depende kung ikaw ay creditor or debtor, no? So, kung ikaw ang creditor, ikaw ang makaka-receive at the end of the period. Pero kung ikaw naman ay debtor, ikaw ang magbibigay niyang perang yan at the end of the term ng loan. Annuity, periodic stream of equal cash flow at equal time interval, usually annually, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, etc. etc. So, annuity. Ibig sabihin, every period. Ang example ng annuity, annual. Pag sinabing annual, every year, makaka-receive ka ng pera. For example, equal. For example, 20,000 every year. So, yearly, makakatanggap ka ng 20,000. Okay? 20,000 quarterly. So, every after 3 months, makakatanggap ka ng 20,000. Yun yung tinatawag nating periodic stream, equal cash inflow at equal time interval. So, annuity ang tawag doon. Mixed stream, unequal periodic cash inflow that reflect no pattern. So, ito naman parang similar siya sa annuity. Kaya nga lang, ang pagkakaiba niya is that hindi equal yung flow ng cash. Iba-iba. So for example, kung kanina, ang example natin sa annuity ay 20,000 every year o kaya 20,000 every quarter, ito iba-iba, may pumapasok o kaya may lalabas na pera, pero hindi fixed. So for example, 10,000 this year, next year 20,000, next year 30,000, then 50,000, then 25,000. Parang ganun, iba-iba. Kaya nga tinawag na mix. Walang pattern, specific pattern ng flow ng inflow or outflow ng cash. So basically, importante din yun. Itong cash flow pattern. So this is the formula of present and future value. So unahin muna natin yung future value. It is future value is equal to present value times open parenthesis 1 plus rate close parenthesis raised to t. And then, pag present value naman ang kukunin mo, present value is equal to future value over open parenthesis 1 plus r close parenthesis raised to t. Sa iba, instead na t, ang ginagamit nila n. Kasi yung t, time. Yung n, it's number of period. So, parehas lang yun. So, it's either t or n. So, remember, sabi natin kanina, kapag value in the future, yung hinahanap mo, magkano siya sa mga susunod na araw, future value ang gagamitin mo. Pero, kung gusto mong malaman kung magkano yung pera now, present value ang gagamitin mo. For example, yung gusto mo, kung meron kang 1 million ngayon at gusto mong malaman ang magiging value niya pag in-invest mo after 10 years, future value ang hinahanap mo. Kasi value niya in the future. Pero, for example, gusto mo ng 20 million after 20 years. So, gusto mong malaman magkano dapat yung pera mo now. Magkano dapat ang pera mo ngayon na i-invest mo para marating mo yung 20 million in the future. So, yun ang tinatawag natin. Ang hinahanap mo ay present value. Magkano yung pera mo dapat ngayon para ma-reach mo para magkaroon ka ng 20 million in the future. So, malinaw na. So, let's use yung formula. Illustration. You need 25,000 to buy laptop when you enter college 2 years from now. How much you must invest now if the interest rate is at 6% per annum? So, ang hinahanap mo ay yung pera mo today para makabili ka ng laptop after 2 years pag nasa college ka na. So, ang hinahanap mo ay present value. So, yung present value formula ang gagamitin mo. So, substitute lang natin. Present value is equals to future value. Magkano yung pera na kailangan mo in the future? That's 25,000 pesos. Tapos, i-divide mo yung 25,000 pesos ng 1 plus r raised to t. So, 1 is constant. Tapos, ang rate is 6%. Raised to time, 2 years. So, raised to 2. So, yung 1 plus r raised to 2 is equal to 1.062. Ayan. So, divide mo yung 25,000 nun. The answer is 22,249 and 91. So, dapat, para magkaroon ka ng 25,000 after 2 years, pag in-invest mo at 6%, dapat may karoon kang 22,249.91 centavo today. Now, let's move to future value kasi tapos na natin yung present value. So, basically, yun din lang, ganun din lang ang gagawin mo pag nag-compute ka ng future value. Gagamitin mo lang yung formula. So, para maiba, ang ginawa ko, ito namang ibang form ng cash inflow. Ito naman yung mixed stream na tinatawag. Yung every year, makakatanggap ka ng cash o maglalabas ka ng cash pero unequal siya. Kasi pag annuity, yun yung unequal, di ba? Equal pala, di ba? Pag mixed stream, yun yung unequal. Walang pattern of cash inflow. So, para maiba lang. Anyway, marunong naman kayo mag-substitute ng formula para doon sa formula. Nabigay naman na yung formula ng para sa computation ng future value. Multiply mo lang present value times 1 plus yung rate raised to t or n. Depende kung sino ang author ng book na sinusundan mo. Yung ibang author, sabi ko kanina, ang n ang ginagamit sa period, yung iba naman is t. So, this time, magsisave ka daw sa MRI Bank na mayroong interest rate na 8%. This year, ang savings mo ay 1,200. Second sa year 2, 1,400. And sa year 3, 1,000 na lang ang iyong isi-save sa bank. So, magkano yung present value noon? Ng mga savings mo na yon. So, alam naman natin na pag sabi nga natin, yung present value, i-add lang natin yung interest. So, dito tayo sa factor, no? So, 1 is yung present para sa present amount. Tapos, idadagdag mo lang yung interest rate. Tapos, i-raise to t mo lang or n, yung period, no? So, para sa 1,200, 1 plus yung rate, so 1.08 yon, raised to, kasi yung year 1 mo, valid yan hanggang sa year 1, year 2, year 3. So, raised to t. 3 years na mag-earn yung 1,300 mo. So, 1.08 raised to 3, ang factor ay 1.2597. So, pwede mo rin niya mahanap sa table. Huh? Para sa 1.4 naman, so second year na yon, year 2 saka year 3, so dalawang periods na lang siya. So 1.08 raised to 2 na lang siya. So ang factor mo is 1.1664. And then yung 1,000 mo, ang factor na lang niya is 1.08 raised to 1, sorry. Raised to 1 dapat yun, hindi na i-raise. No. Raised to 1. So, 1.08 na rin. So, multiply mo yung factor sa amount. Makuha mo yung future value ng mga savings mo. So, i-total mo lahat yan. Yan yung total future value ng iyong savings. So, 1 plus rate lang para makuha yung factor. 1 plus rate raised to yung number of periods. Now, let's illustrate yung cash flow naman na annuity. So, this time, she wanted to buy a phone daw. Magda-down siya ng 8,000 and then mag-installment siya ng 4,000 for each year for 2 years. Yun yung first option. Yung second option niya is ika-cash niya ng 15,500. So, ang objective natin is to determine kung saan ba siya mura. So, is it yung 4,000 na dalawang beses? So, 8,000 yan plus yung down payment. So, ang total is 16. So, kung at first parang i-compare mo kaagad siya sa 15,500. So, parang mas mahal na yung installment. Kasi nga, mas mahal ng 500. Pero let us consider yung time value of money. So, magkano ba yung value nung mga perang yan today? Kasi nga, yung 4,000, babayaran mo pa naman ng installment. Sa first year, 4,000. And then sa next year niya, 4,000 ulit. So, of course, alam natin na merong time value of money. Yung value ng pera sa mga susunod na taon is different from today. So, kailangan natin kunin yung present value ng 4,000 na babayaran on installment. So, pakitignan sa baba. So, since i-down payment na yung 8,000, so wala nang time value kasi ibabayad na kaagad. So, 8,000 na rin ang present value niya kasi lalabas na yung pera today. So, kapag walang time na nag-expire, hindi relevant ang time value of money kasi wala namang time na nag-expire. Kaya nga tinawag na time value. Dahil sa passage of time, nag-iiba yung worth ng money. Yun yung concept ng time value of money. Kapag lumilipas ang panahon, alam mo naman natin na bumababa yung value ng money. Yun yung common practice natin. Hindi naman talaga siya bihira na tumataas yung value, yung worth ng money, di ba? Dahil nga sa inflation, tumataas yung worth ng mga goods. Kaya kukunti na yung nabibili ng mga pera. Yung mabibili ng pera mo ngayon, hindi na kasing dami ng mabibili niya after 5 years. So, let's continue. So, yung isang 4,000, babayaran niya kaagad sa year 1. So, 1.08, 1.08, 1 plus yung 8%, di ba? 0.08, actually, pwede mong i-raise to 1 yan. Pero since 1 lang naman, wala nang effect. Kaya, 1.08 din ang sagot dyan. So, i-divide, kasi we are looking for the present value. So, i-divide natin. So, 4,000, yung first installment mo na 4,000 times, divided by 1.08 raised to 1. So, ang present value nun is 3,703 and 70 centavos. Next, yung second installment mo, 4,000 divided by yung factor is 1.08 raised to 2. Bakit? Kasi sa year 2 yun, di ba? So, dalawang taon pa. Dalawang periods ang nag-expire. Kaya, ang N or T mo ay 2. So, makukuha mo yung factor. Alternatively, kung ayaw mo ng mga ganyang formula, pwede mong tignan sa present value table. Present value of 1. So, 4,000 divided by yung nakuha mo sa 1.08 raised to 2 equals 3,429.36. So, ang present value ng perang ibibigay mo pag i-avail mo yung installment is only 15,133.06. So, ibig sabihin, mas makakatipid ka kung kukunin mo yung phone on installment. Kasi ang total lang niya ay ang present value ng lahat ng binayad-bayad mo ay 15,133. Pero kung maglalabas ka ng pera ngayon, it is 15,500. So, mas malaki yung ilalabas mong pera compared sa pag inabil mo siya on installment. After considering yung time value of money. Present value and future value of annuity payments. Yung present value annuity payments, pwede yung annuity, ordinary annuity, or annuity dues. I-distinguish nga natin yung tatlo. Pag annuity, ibig sabihin, periodic cash flow that is equal over a specified period. So, yun ang tinatawag nating annuity. Ang annuity ay pwedeng ordinary annuity o kaya annuity due. Pag ordinary annuity, ang labasan ng pera ay at the end of the period. So for example, in a year, ang end ng period ay December. So December ang paglabas mo ng pera kung magbabayad ka. O kaya naman, pag-receive mo ng pera kung ikaw si creditor. Annuity due, ibig sabihin, yung pera, marireceive dapat at the beginning of the period. So ano ang beginning ng period sa ating calendar year? Siyempre, it is January. So January pa lang ibibigay na yung pera. So yun yung difference ng ordinary annuity at saka annuity due. Ordinary annuity, normally, ang binabayaran, ang bayaran ay at the end of the period, sa dulo ng taon. Annuity due, ibig sabihin, in advance. Kaya, beginning ng period ang payment. So, this is the formula sa pag-compute ng present value of ordinary annuity. Or, meron kang isang option as mentioned dun sa previous video natin. You can use yung present value table. So, hanapin mo lang yung present value of an ordinary annuity table and automatic ikita mo na yung factor once na mayroon kang N at saka R. Pero actually, yung last part sa formula ng present value of ordinary annuity, pag pre-process mo yun, actually, ang lalabas din dyan is yung factor. Kaya lang, yung iba, syempre, formula, mahirap nilang matandaan. So, actually, paki-correct yung it is raised to T. It is raised to T. Yung 1 plus R raised to T dapat yun. So, let's go sa illustration. Mrs. Yu wants to buy a pair of shoes worth 10,500. She has the option of paying it today at 10,500 or buying them in installment where she has to pay down payment of 4,000 and the balance will be paid into equal payments of 4,000 each for 2 years. So given an interest rate of 10%, which is better. So parang ganun din kanina sa phone. Kaya nga lang, yung kanina, hindi siya equal. So, using kung gagamit tayo ng present value table, so pakihanap yung present value of an ordinary annuity table at 10% for 2 years. So, pakihanap yung factor. So, it is 17355. So, i-multiply mo lang dun sa 4,000. Ayun. So, and then, idagdag mo yung down payment na 4,000. So, ang total niya is 10,932. So, ano ang decision? So, you have to buy today at 10,500. Kasi makaka-save ka. Kasi pag installment, ang present value ng payments mo ay magiging 10,932. Mas mataas. So, we have to differentiate daw yung future value sa present value. So, actually, na-discuss na natin to sa first early part ng discussion din natin ng video, di ba? Yung sa introduction pa lang pala, nung second video natin. So, sabi nga natin, future value is yung initial cash plus yung interest na kikitain nung pera in the future. So, pag idinagdag mo yung interest o yung whatever income na ma-earn ng pera from investment, yun yung magiging future value niya. Pero pag sinabi natin present value, yung value ng pera mo at period 0 today, yung value niya ngayon. So actually, ang difference lang naman ng present at saka future value is yung time value of money. So sabi nga natin kasi, kapag lumilipas yung panahon, syempre, yung value ng pera mo today, hindi na siya magiging the same as sa future. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. Dahil sa inflation. Siyempre, nag-i-increase yung prices. So, yung mabibili ng 10,000 mo, for example, today, hindi na mabibili ng the same 10,000 after 5 years. So, yun yung concept niya. So, dahil sa passage of time, nababawasan yung value ng money. Kaya nga tinawag na time value of money. So, yun yung main difference ng present sa future value. Ina-acknowledge yung passage of time. This is the end of the slide. So, gaya ng sinabi ko sa part 1 na video, please gawa yung nasa weekly home learning plans. So, paki-accomplish yun para parang practice. And if you have questions, just post them sa ating Google Classroom for clarification. So, yung video number 3 natin is yung amortization of loan will follow immediately. So, pakiabangan lang. This is your teacher, Romualdo Fernandez Credo, saying God bless and mabuhay!